Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant highlighted the contribution of national hero Bhagwan Birsa Munda on his birth anniversary, celebrated as Janajatiya Gaurav Divas. The day emphasizes on the tribal heritage and nationalistic fervor for the sacrifices led by Dharti Aba Bhagwan Birsa Munda. The tribal community in Goa have been benefiting from 26 schemes of union and state governments. The government of Goa has given land rights sanad to around 2,500 beneficiaries, underlined the Chief Minister.
हाडूंक नाशिल्ले 26 वर्साच्या कार्यकाळात तांच्यांनी जल, जमीन आणि जंगल या तीन गोष्टी खातीर आपल्या समाजाक आणि आपण रावता त्या पुराय परिसराचे राखण करचे या निमित्तात केल्ले कार्य लोकांमुखार येवचे, आयच्या युवकांक, आयच्या तरणाट्याक हे कार्य समजचे आणि तांणी बी म्हणजे आपल्या समाजातल्या इतर लोकां खातीर कार्य करपाक अशाच तत्परतेत फुडें येवचे. दे आर नॅशनल हिरोज जाका आमी म्हणटा की हो देश स्वतंत्र करपाक जेचे योगदान असलें ह्या सगळ्या लोकांक देशाच्या मुखार हाडप, देशाच्या तरणाट्यांच्या मुखार हाडप हे आमचें परम कर्तव्य. तांच्यांनी म्हटलां की जल म्हणजेच उदक, जमीन ज्या जमनीन आमी रावता आणि तिसरें इज द जंगल. आदिवासी समाज हो सदोदीत निसर्गाचो पुजारी आसा. ते सदोदीत ज्या जंगलात रावता त्या जंगलाची तेंच्यांनी पुजा केला. म्हणून तुम्ही पळयात आयजूय बी आमी खंय तरी पिंपळाचें झाड, खंय तरी वडाचें झाड, खंय तरी अशी काजऱ्याचें झाड, अशी वेगवेगळी झाडां आयजूय तेजी पुजा करता. आयजूय आमी देवी सातेरीच्या रुपात मातयेची रोयण आशिल्ली पुजा करता. जंगलात कितलीशीच झाडां आसतली म्हणजे वचून त्या झाडाची पुजा करून म्हणजे ताका नैवेद्य दाखोवप ही प्रथा आयजूय आसा आणि हेच तर निसर्गाच्या खऱ्या अर्थात पूजन आशिल्लें.
Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant inaugurated the Phase 1 Chimal Overbridge in order to facilitate smooth flow of traffic via Chimal Junction. The long struggle of commuters travelling by the congested stretch of Chimal via the Kadamba Road NH 4A has now ended with the opening of the flyover. The other part of the project will also be completed in 6 months, stated the Chief Minister.
But कालांतरान एक 6 महिन्या भितर उरलेलो प्रोजेक्ट जो आसा पळय 100% पुराय करतले. आमकां सगळ्या जाणांक याद जाता आसतली फोंडेच्यान ओल्ड गोवाच्यान येवपी सगळे लोक रायबंदराच्या जुन्या रस्त्या वयल्यान येता आसतना आमकां तेन्ना 2012 पयलीं याद करात ते दीस. म्हणजे म्हाका दिसता रायबंदच्या जुन्या ब्रिजाचेर एक वर तरी लोक उरताले जुन्या वाटेंतल्यान वता आसतना. फाटल्या 2012च्या उपरांत सरकारान कदंबा बायपास हो रोड काडलो आनी लोकांक स्मूथ ट्राफीक जे आसा हे सायडींतल्यान स्लो जावपाक मेळ्ळें. नाल्यार सगळे ते सायडींतले लोक येवपी म्हणजे पुराय बिचोले 70 तालुक्यांतले आसतले, फोंड्या तालुक्यांतले आसतले हांकां फोंडा कडेन कनेक्टिविटी नासली. बट ती आनिकूय स्ट्रीमलायन करप आनी आनिकूय खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणात ताजो बरो ट्राफीक फ्लो दिवपा खातीर सातत्यात सरकाराचो प्रयत्न आसा. बट डेव्हलपमेंट चालू आसतना थोडोसो त्रास जर सहन करचो पडलो जाल्यार मागीर त्या डेव्हलपमेंटाचे फायदे सातत्यान आमकां जातले. हो ओव्हरब्रीज तयार करता आसतना सकयल कितलो प्रॉब्लेम जातालो हो तुमकां न्ही म्हाकाय खबर आसा. हांव डेली 10 मिनटां जो आहा पळय न्ही पणजेच्यान घरा वयतना आनी घरा कडल्यान पणजे येतना डेली रेग्युलर 10 ते 10-15 मिनटां ह्या कंप्लीट जंक्शनाचेर 100% उरतालो. म्हणून हांव सांगता म्हणजे गव्हर्मेंट हे सातत्यान वेगवेगळ्या पद्दतीची डेव्हलपमेंट करपा खातीर आपल्या परीत पुराय म्हणजे सगळे प्रोजेक्ट हे हातात घेत आसा. खूब मोठो बदल इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चराच्या बाबतीत 2014 पासून तो आतां पर्यंत तेणी सांगलें. म्हणजे ताका लागूनच म्हणजे हे पुराय प्रोजेक्ट हे कंप्लीट करपा खातीर आमचें सरकार कटिबद्ध आसा. म्हणजे एक गजाल म्हत्वाची सगळे पंच आनी सरपंच स्वच्छ सांताक्रूज जावपा खातीर आमदाराक आनी सरकाराक तुमी सपोर्ट करपाक जाय. सगळ्यान पयली आतां एक म्हणजे सगळ्यात जर सगळ्या पंचायतींनी सगळ्यात चड जर खंयसर कचरो उडयलो आसत जाल्यार तो तुमच्या पंचायतींनी आसा. सगळ्यांनी सेग्रिगेशन बेलिंग आनी सगळें करपाक जर सुरवात केलें जाल्यारूच तें निव्वळ जातलें. ना जाल्यार तें निव्वळ जावचें ना. म्हणजे आमदार सरपंच आनी पंच ह्या सगळ्या जाणांक रिक्वेस्ट आसा जाय जाल्यार एक वेगळी मिटींग तुमच्याच मतदारसंघा खातीर घेवन पुराय पंचायत ही निव्वळ करपाची हें काम म्हाका दिसता आनी लोकांनी ठरोवपाक जाय. कचरो हाडून हाडून रस्त्यार उडोव नाकात. तो पंचायतींनी लोकेट केल्ल्या त्या डस्टबीन नाल्यार जाग्याचेर जर उडयत जाल्यारूच बरें जातलें. नाजाल्यार अशा पद्दतीचे घाण रोगराई ही शेवटी आमकांच थंय रावता त्या लोकांक जावपाक शकता. म्हणून स्वच्छ करपा खातीर, कारण डेव्हलपमेंटाची जबाबदारी सरकार घेता, पण स्वच्छ दवरपाची जबाबदारी तुमची घेयात.
The preparations for the upcoming event of exposition of relics of St. Francis Xavier at Old Goa are in the final phase. The decennial exposition of the sacred relics of St. Francis Xavier, popularly known as Goinzo Sahib, will be held between 21st November 2024 and 5th January 2025 at Say Cathedral, Old Goa. Minister of State for Information and Broadcasting and Parliamentary Affairs, Dr. L. Murugan, held a meeting with key stakeholders to review the preparations for the 55th edition of the International Film Festival of India, scheduled to be held in Goa from 20th to 28th November 2024. The minister visited Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium, which will host the opening and closing ceremonies of the festival. He had a look at the Darya Sangam venue for Safarnama, a multimedia exhibition by the Central Bureau of Communication, among others. As 5 days remain for the film extravaganza to unfold, the touch of magic of cinema is already in the air as the street decor makes its presence felt on the roads of Panaji. Get ready to welcome film personalities galore.
In Goa, happening from November 21st to the 27th. I'm especially excited as my film Hisab Barabar is getting premiered on the 26th of November. IFFI is a celebration of cinema, culture and creativity, and I'm really looking forward to the amazing films, conversations and the fantastic energy in Goa. I'm also looking forward to the Film Bazaar, where industry professionals come together for collaborations and business opportunities. It's such an important space for filmmakers. I'm thrilled to be part of this event and can't wait to share this moment with you all in Goa. So see you there, and until then, be safe. Jai Hind.
Hi guys, I am Vikrant Massey and I'm going to be at Asia's largest film festival, the 55th IFFI. Catch me on the red carpet of Zero Series start at the Gala premiere and 12th fail at Panorama. Super excited to be there and looking forward to see you all. Lots of love.
Hi everyone, I'm Sandhya Malhotra and I'm thrilled to be a part of the 55th IFFI, Asia's largest film festival in Goa from November 21st to 27th. I'll be there for the premiere of my latest film, Mrs. on the 22nd November. I can't wait to walk the red carpet and share this very special film with all of you. Plus, I'm looking forward to the energy of Film Bazaar and interacting with fellow cinema lovers. See you there.
Director of Information and Publicity Deepak Banekar inaugurated the Goa Pavilion at the 43rd India International Trade Fair based on the theme of Vikasit Bharat 2047 in New Delhi. A brochure titled Atmanirbhar Bharat Swaympurna Goa was also released on the occasion. Newly established NGO Heritage First Goa launched the Heritage First Festival to spread awareness about the conservation of Goa's built, natural and cultural heritage. The festival comprises 32 walks and workshops. The first of its kind festival commenced on Friday with an ode to Panjim's rich history.
Our new organization, Heritage First Goa, started with Jack and Snigdha Manchanda. There she is. We started this for a purpose. We started this to spread awareness, to share experiences, to share learning, and also to learn from our guests. So our first festival, which is the Heritage First Festival, starting tomorrow, with Jack and me doing a signature walk through Panjim, the city centre, is going to start off what I call a sharing and learning experience. If I tell you, for example, that there are petroglyphs on a plateau very close to us, and there is a board game carved on the rock, on the flatbed, that is called Mankala. And you tell me that Mankala is an Arabic word. And somebody else pipes up and says, Manka is Gujarati for beads. And they used to play with cowries and beads. And you can still order Mankala, the board game, on Amazon. Okay? So see how much sharing has come from the interaction with people. And that is exactly what we aim to do through our organization, starting with our Walks and Workshops Festival. Heritage First Goa will embody our unique heritage through walks, workshops, presentations, lectures and publications. No audience will be too small, no group will be too big. We will also share and we will enable others to share, our researchers to share. That's the most important thing.
I'm sure most of you know that Panji initially was a bog land, a land full of marshes, bogs, stagnant pools and so forth. And in March 1843, it was elevated by an order sent from Portugal to the position of capital city, the second capital of Portuguese India. But let me tell you, even before this date, that is March 1843, we have in Goa still the heritage sites which date back not very far from here, the former Adil Shah Palace, also known as the old Secretariat, the Linyadish Bridge, the church of the 16th century, the church, of course, elevated to the level of church in the early 17th century, the church of Immaculate Conception, the church of Santinage. These were before Panji became unofficial capital. These sites are there even today. Even before it became unofficial capital in the year 1759. Unofficial capital for 84 years. Imagine, before it became official capital in 1843.
Goa's cricket fraternity rejoiced in the record-breaking performance of experienced batter Snehal Kauthankar and youngster Kashyap Bakle, who is in his debut first-class season, as the duo registered sensational triple centuries on the way to Goa's biggest win, led by an innings-end 551 runs in Ranji Trophy plate group match against Arunachal Pradesh at Goa Cricket Association Academy Ground at Parwari. Kauthankar was not out on 314 runs, while Bakle remained unbeaten on 300 runs. They put up a record unbroken partnership of 606 runs in 448 balls. Goa Cricket Association announced ₹1 lakh each award for the record-breaking batters. This was Goa's 5th win from as many games in the plate group, and the Dinesh Mongia coached team has earned immediate promotion to the elite group.